Yeah, so next year, don't worry about making friends, they'll come to you naturally.
One piece of advice for next year's Year 7s would be to hand in your assessments on time. Yeah.
A piece of advice for the next year 7s is to try out for ACC as much as you can and get involved in any groups as much as you can. Yeah.
One piece of advice I would have for next year's Year 7 is probably to get as involved as you can. Join as many clubs, since Year 7 will probably be like the easiest year out of all the years.
My piece of advice is sticking to a schedule and following it will make the year much easier, and create a timetable that's easy for you. And
I would say make a lot of friends, or try to make a lot of friends, and enjoy Year 7 because it'll get a lot harder as it goes on.
I would say try and make a good first impression on your teachers, because having a bunch of different teachers is new to new students, so it'd be good to make good first impressions so all your teachers like you and you can build a relationship with them from there.
My piece of advice for the next year students would be to study extra hard in class if you're struggling to find time to do homework.
Learn how to tie and that's basically it.
Just be confident, make new friends, try different things and see new people. I would say don't stress out about homework, just try and get it all done. Yeah. Take all the opportunities you can get within sport and academic wise.